Gunmen killed Redeemed Christian Church of God pastor on the pulpit during service. Man in masquerade attire spotted on the streets in Nigeria preaching the gospel of Jesus Christ. Good day and thank you for joining us on the news today. I am Prosperline Amadi. We'll go on a quick break now, and when we return, we'll be bringing you the news in details. Welcome back. Here's the news in details. Suspected assailants have killed a pastor with the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Pastor Bolanle Ibrahim, in his church, King of Kings Parish at Maidon Village in the Mile 12 area of the state. A local news media reported that the clergyman was praying for mothers and their children when the assailants stormed the church and tried to drag him out. The distraught wife of the deceased, Mrs. Kudirat Ibrahim, said on the fateful day her husband was killed, he was fasting. She said for the period they courted, she never suspected her husband to be a cultist, wondering where people heard that he was a cult member. An aunt of the deceased pastor, Mrs. Justina Alebioshu, who confirmed the incident, alleged that it was a clear case of hired assassination. In her words, even before they killed him, they showed him his picture to identify if he was actually the right person they came for. His death was an unfortunate one. We have lost a gentleman. It was true we were born Muslims, but we converted to Christianity. My thinking is that my brother had business transactions with someone. I was told when the assailants wanted to drag him out of the pulpit where he was praying for women who brought their children for dedication, he begged them to kill him there, and that was where he was eventually killed by the gunmen. The assailants also threatened to shoot any of the members of the church who dare come close to them. We still have an aged mother, and his wife just gave birth. His children are still young. I'm appealing to the State Commissioner of Police, Hakeem Odumosu, to release his remains for us to bury. Presently, we are all down morally because of his sudden death. The bereaved aged mother of the clergyman, Mrs. Agnes Ogunowo, who spoke on the incident, said she bid her son farewell before he left for church on the day that he was killed. She appealed to the police to get involved in the case of her son's death and bring the perpetrators to book. Confirming the incident, the Lagos State Police Public Relations Officer, CSP Muyiwa Adejobi, affirmed that a man was attacked during a church service and that the assailants went for him in the church. He said they had already begun investigating the case as they already had a clue into the killing. Moving on, a video of a Nigerian man dressed in a masquerade attire and preaching the gospel of Jesus Christ has gone viral on social media. The man, who spoke in Igbo dialect, urged passers-by to accept Jesus into their lives. The man caught the attention of everyone in the area with the attire he wore, which clearly contradicts the message he was passing. Stay tuned for international news updates after this quick break. end of today's episode of News Around the World. Do join us same time, same station for more news of events happening in Christianity from around the world. Until then, I remain Prosperline Amadi, and do have a good day.